Shatter Fubi or Sabbath now did me matter. Who some amen? No Sabbath video. Who some way? What did me matter? Mammy, me a class down you. Me near to channel. Ah, that wouldn't be a done for me, boy. But D. Me come who FPP. Me who FPP, I can say, me who FPP for, I can say, oh, good. Let me teach you who this from Yaka, make you more time, make us and 4,000.
Kevin Taylor, and I would do Asante for them. And China will praise Asante for because they all fucking scared. They know, and we will never forgive them. If you care to know, we Asante people, we don't speak our words out here because we are not animals. To say what on, and and people like us, we know how to share our information. We can't forgive Kevin Taylor and co. For all the attacks and insult and disgrace upon Asante people, he will never scot free with it. But more man. Kevin Taylor here, say Kolan, or did you treat the talk? And now most of the party or some the time on this that Bramo Yare.
Mmoa Kwaba eba Skeleton Man TV. So Skeleton Man TV ana wushi. Se we your first time and ye bomodin subscribe. Me notification ni so send anytime bia ye di video betumu no won son sabekan wenye bia hwe bia comment fa ho kire wa dwen fa video no ho bisua like video no na share emo bia nso nya bi hwe bitasi bebre abusua maame tani bi abusuafo oba social media so edidi asantefo atem se asantefo omhuntutuye asantefo omuni omhuni na emom entafo kra na beye den ebe kire om seni yeden yedi ehu ne abusua ene ewodi asantefo atempa eno ne ehu se asantefo bloggers bi so ba out abusua om so yeden etutu bi ma no abusua maame no wasan babiem waba bi ma chese bloggers na omuba out be kasaye no ene ye wode mom papa ene ye wode mom esen di asantefo atem ankasa emi se we mini pa se woni asantefo ye den e wo bi kan etu oba o se entokwa we di oba be ye den wo ba be ku eno ana evangelist comfort fosu Comfylove all catch any say mame se upe obi a chese otumi di Ntafuo atemu a ene enya asantefo kra na wo se woni ye den woni ebre wo muso na emom eye Kevin Taylor ana otimi tam musi honum edi mu atem fiti anopa kopim enyimre Kevin Taylor ene tumi ka se Ntafuo omoye mmoa Ntafuo omoye mmoa omuni wo muhuni omo ana chese efi ayede adokuru wo mo ankasa Kevin Taylor ene timi di mu atem edi mu atem no yente ye semo ayede maba out muba be den muba be fesi no yente ye enti asantefo a wasowa no agu omoso no ene watwa wrong meat and why den watwa ebusua me say aye butu waso obekun but nyansa and ebusuafo Comfylove odi gunitirim timodi amumienko ni enkohwe video yi.
Hello. Good afternoon. Me share with Piara. Awo hwe. Me wu se me video na me ye. A me ka say Asante ni bia no o che obia. Wo so le na Asante. E na mudi twa yesu. Na sa mo bo obi ma so dia. Na mo private citizens. Me wu se atwetwe me video dia ko YouTube akwa bi. E na the red aboneti. O ka chem se me hu tutu. Mo man tie sa kwa no. A wo YouTube na o di aboneti. So no o kwa ma Asante man. Mo ka chere no wontie. Me hu tutu o te se wo maame. Me hu tutu te se wo maame na wogya no ofie. Me ka chere me hu tutu o se wo maame me hu tutu o se wo busua pani. Makao Asante regional minister I train FPP Asante what now did it is fatem e di yatam e di yatam no die Srenibian no children or can answer. Me tis a what tis a what this remunerate my mid PM Becassa. And then TikTok about or be a noir or what's not say. I know a being and what come from a channel. One minute general. Namaka, yaka wises, a yeah, wises, them. Say, I got dresses what? You dresses in term. What but them was sitting on pack. Say, you bassa, same person, Yama. Maka, the obedience, what bottom, what bottom, or look crawl. What look at you, Mimi child, Mimi child. Now, so shall be wrong, Mediterranean. Me 5 minutes see menu. And no face, and I made a cassan. Me chow penny, what bottom, oh, got them say, and Ntafuo Mmoa, that's my maker. Maka, 1 year at them. Asante for 1 year at them. Would you at them da? And then, and young one to support a woman. And young one and to support a woman. Yeah, no one to support on a child, dear. What bottom? Ghana man no Ghana no ayamafra as Nigeria. Ghana yamafra enyam nkwamdia. So oko village a village. Sana Asante ni so one village. Obi kacha so no fra Asante memo. Eye dey wa Asante ko no class. Maka die be fresi. Obi asu no ye wa Asante me ha wa metira. Obwa Ena mami ba ko so ono so no sekatu se ono no wanye na opro be trusting me obetumi video trusting me da yefofo sanche wa bodam me ho bidie yes me to me shibidie me bidie na hye ti me yesesale ni me bidie na hye me yedagati ni me yemosini me yakale me yemoprushini ohu fu sanwa ohu fu satu Shatter phobia was sabbath now. I did me matter. Oh, some amen. No sabbath video. Oh, fool. Oh, some fool way. Oh, but did me matter. Mamma, me a class down you. Me near to channel. Ah, that wouldn't be a terrible for me, boy. But D. Me come no LPP. Me who LPP, I can't say, me who LPP for, I can't say, oh, good. Let me just want this from me. I can make 2 more time, make just 4,000.
So me pay end this. It doesn't show, say. What the Asante ni kwa black the 4 kwa be the party anymore. Make me to about my end this. Because me pay end this party. It is not about the people. Me, I challenge Mahama, me penasem personality, I like him. Onyami o hata sunim say, within my heart, I like Mahama. I really like him. Me penasem. But me pen party no woman no. What the chame kura na de, e wiase gold nyina ka ho, me mpe. E ji say Mahama so me di anymore. Me mpe party ni me to abama. Because me mpe. Jamun cross sem na mo ti internet so amudi. So bana fi so issue with the Asante people. Koni straight, me go for NDC, me go for MPP, me go for Ntafuo. Because Ntafuo said, ya Ntafuo no wonu nyina ye nipa ba akofo. Ya wari bi no, ebi ma wari ye. Ya no won ma wo. Ya ti ho ya bofra. Asante ni mo si abofra. Asante ni da gomba abofra. Sisa ala fo abofra. Fra fo abofra. Sisa mo ba na mo kura sisa. Mo ba be di Asante fo atam. You should come as individual. Na Asante ni so ni undili as individual. Nkura sisa mo akwa. Ena ye Ntafuo, ono wan Ntafuo. How many Ntafuo na soma ase believe ya Asante fo atam? How many Ntafuo? Hello na juice. Na yire ya Asante ni ofra hafo. Hello na juice. Hello na juice on free no. Wonye da gombe ni. Hello na juice nye da gombe ni. Na yire anya hafo Asante ni. Esanfo akwa. Wamu na wari wo mo ho esene da gomba ni mosifo Asantefo ni frafrafo. Wamu na wari wo mo ho mo osinye. Nkuro sesem no mo sori a. Mo de taya semumu yet mo ne na tie na didi bomu. Yet mo ne nyina and at a said be man table baako. Now sister wedi I don't want to believe so to Kumaso. Because to Kumaso minu mienu etimi continue. You can take it at the threat as said be open you can take your step. Memfa. So what to Kumaso minu mienu etimi continue. Now we'll begin to dig where you are. Because I'm so I bet you be assassin so. Now I saw the deal what a man of Paneria. Now I'm walking in and said, oh yeah, Asante Region Minister. Well, you would see some of Pampaso. Came me bossy. I did my friend, I was here, my friend. Why are Santini Bow and this? A whole lot of people. I are Santi for me and this for. Bella Samoa Vivian Jelmuna, Benedict Gaffon, they are all NDCs. Obia do matter. Obino Mako Contokwa. And Obia to a movie. Huh? Tessa, Jimmy ya Dawson. Say, and this if 124. So one woman so no one ask mamu. And the Mukabin teller and co. There be a movie so where the zombie is Mahama. Now some Mahama eternity. For your information, Mahama on your eternity. Mahama have no connection with Wotani, where you're going Jaman. Mahama is going Jenny. On your tenny. When are we your tenny? Address yourself as in tenny. Mahama, or link it to a camp people. On your tenny. Mahama on your tenny. Ne mamma ni papa nyina ye gonjafo. Na busa ahuso etani. So mo na suma mo se mesa na ma ne dia. Omma me ye ani bra bodua Asante ni pio beto aba ma ndis ne bebu ni pia. Asa me ka me kunu sa na me kasa. Be mu oya. Se wa Asante fo mo to aba ma ndis. Still mo ba be di yatem. Abetu ye ho. Mo kan so mo kasa bi. Mo nka binom. Mo bofra yi nyina ye wo ma me o mo ya Asante fo. Ye papa no ya Asante fo. Ye kunu mo ya Asante fo. Ye ofa no ya Asante fo. Ye bra fo ya Asante fo. Ye nana no ya Asante fo. Oba mo sa Asante fo ye sei. Asante fo ye sei. Including said the ye money din. Abu apa wana tete o shine. Crossing if any moon. Payina won into it. Why you know who ko bi wegasam. Na wo ni ate. Ana wo ye Muslim ni papa. Ana kola na wo kan sebi. A chewa de papa. Ana wo sua ni bia. Wa be trans ya beto obi ho. Se na kola na nchewa hiafo. Enche o mo ni bi. Kosia. Crossing iba. Wo nim se na sifa e ho sensantini. Media me pem ho a me pem ho simple. Anya de obeka so nti na mesesa. Me meti abrochire. Sebi. Me be se me to him man here. E ye 1,000 pounds kwa meti mato. Bet me to ehun hia me. Uguchi ubi bia meti mato bi bia me pe bia de me. Eso me pe. It's just for me. It is not meant for me. Me kra ni sa de me. Wo ye krasini. Enre ya be on kwase asen be kan. Wakwa koyi ayi Muslim ni ayi na gu ho. Akofa we aso akeka wa no. Muslim ni ba. Usuna this ways. Oya bia na afi this ways. Wonum guase. Yeah, you are confused. You don't even know what to do. Share. So why you didn't say? Who will be back to kwa? And you ready. Sister. Miss your mama Bunny and Co the day. I have never paid attention to them. But what would you mean? Me no me the eso. Young koso. Minimity I me feel. Because what the political spectacle na say. What kwasia? What pure ho? Eti me beto me ho pia. Me nya ho pia bebre ma to akere. E pia wo ho no. What the other doors is me dey. What it? Enche bia asa akwa pause so. Ye dey fitete. Nyame na de che ye. Ye Asante for the body tiri. Na na twitwi yesen. Wo set danger zone. Na no kasa. Wo sorry ye uchi. Uchi na abegina be di Asante fatem. Ene wasam no. Nanu ya, nko sister, ya fa no ya hawa de yin. Ya fa no hawa awudu. Ko the video mo. Asante for the dia tam kwa almost a videos. Se woni adwene. Sa na etete o. Aboa. Na se bi me so yi. me shall see say me ka bakwasem masolema me dicknesses me evangelist for me pastors near any papi frame me it is a wo ye muslim ni ampa na wo sabi muslim so no tim woni mpanimfo awo moses kum asumni mu a ana ankora awo moses asumni mu a jibi sama wo jimi no o mu jimi nto I just saw no ka ho eye wo no de yatia muslim mami muslims ayi e fa ne say when DC ayi e fa ne say akwa na sabi ni titi se ba fo bese no ono na na wote ho mi hu mi a me ka bintera hu mi kora ho wo te se wontimi me hu ofe any picture na na no hu ye ready mi so me se ni pem na so any picture na na no one free man mu twa idea ene na sabi she okay hey ma me how would how what is and I want it was so cool and what be panato so what is one Jimmy and you oh Jimmy a subenya bread other so like because you are jealous about Asante people, you hate Asante people with all cost. You are stupid, you don't have a brain, your brain is not working, you do not even have a brain to understand. There is no way you can be reasonable because you can't. The simple term says you cannot be reasonable. You are a fool. We heard him. Everybody heard what he said. Or say, Ukolano, or the Pepanato, Mami Muslims, NDC Muslims, NDC propagandists. What kind of thing? Were you able to respond back to him? Did you in any way respond to him? Why not can't send Ntafuo Mmoa? Why? In your entire life, yet Sigana, TikTok, by the grace of God, in your name, one entity, and then Ntafuo. Can tell her your customer Mmoa, a special thanks of God, and a special word so, and it's to be a respondent. And near no nipo customer Mmoa. No customer Mmoa. Then Ntafuo is the part. And a Kevin Taylor. 1,000 videos, you can find it. 1,000 of his videos. He constantly used this word for you people. Telling a whole tribe, a whole group of people, a diverse people, calling all of you animals. So I say Mahama ya tell said you Ocherana. Kevin Taylor just or catch Mahama so no ya boy. The Kevin Taylor knew said Mahama yet tell it. Only some Mahama Buani. Kevin Taylor is a smart boy. Ne kwasi asem odi o kasa Ntafuo Mmoa. Only some Mahama yet tell you where Buani guy or you gonja guy. Stupid person like you. Yet ha and the Kevin Taylor dimotem. Munko of force share Jarabaya. Say Jalabio say Dibio. I want to share a judge for your video. Catch a Kevin Taylor say, I, ya pewasem pa, the oil dear, ya pewasem, Kabaya Cabara Pacho, be Pachona, the oil ya pewasem. They couldn't even speak like men. Once upon a time, all this while, I was so wrong. Some I'm doing some way a mama and a ma. I have been having this useless as hallucination about you people attitude and the kind of imagination I have about you people. Some of you cowards. Some of you so cowards like webs. Spider webs. You couldn't even approach Kevin Taylor with vim. Your people, they kill themselves apologizing to Kevin Taylor to come and apologize. Huh? Can't you Kevin Taylor so pacho? Ya pacho na Kevin Taylor. When say ya pewasem pa, ya woye no, ya ni ji ho. Eso asem na kafa kola an ho de. Any Muslim so no ho de. Be pacho se be pacho. O po obi acho so be pacho. Am kasa mo ye vim. Say tia and as a young John as one who says Samu Yobi and Tinan say, Eddie Atem, Chief Imam, what you mean at Tamane Swabble? So who's the Munobia? Ohu se mukasa mo jimi mukasa. Na kasantini na ado wani brawe so. Huh? Nkrofo omudi motem. They are physically I saw. Everybody can see them. It's not like they are hiding their faces. They are well presenting themselves. Sitting right on their screen. Giving it back to you people. Calling you all sort of name. And Mmoa. And Amudi form. And in Sofina Mono. It's Kevin Taylor giving this information out. Hey, how I would do? If you think you are brave. Me yanom bebree. Including me a whole lot of people of taking Kevin Taylor on. Okatachia Frifa is bantling with Kevin Taylor head to head because we are men. Kevin Taylor ba Ghana no Asante Fonti. Your man national security. So I'm protecting. Kevin Taylor ba Ghana no Asante Fonti. We did not know when. He even ran away like a spider. He flew like a spider. When Timmy because he knew his life was at risk. Emma Asante for. What you want to do more time left and right? Huh? So if Mahama is 10 years Padia, now we didn't have what time 24 hours. Now Mahama women national security protection there. That means you are indeed animals. And what's I mean? Why all these attacks and insults every day, everywhere, every corner, every sector? Who taught you that? Are you stupid? Have you got some elders in your family? Have you got anybody sensible that could calm your stupidity down? Huh? Haven't you got even reasonable person to tell you to stop? Huh? Are you not too mature for this stupidity? Idiots. Imbeciles. You have the infantry. Stupid identity persons. What you have tell us is the person insulting all of you. Kola na. Mona mosi. Yatiha. Osu bempa. Ebe shem kwam say. Chief imam bemu. Nkurofo. Atutira sem. Sak eje. Osu bempa so the man to chase kani bi aga mu dwane. Mo moshewa. You black. That by this time we are boom no. You just say if you feel in grass, oh no, if you in grass, oh no, if you grass, because when you can, you are not even welcome to where we are. But by the grace of God, all of us have become one people, and we live cordial to each other, and we try as much as possible to be amicably to our neighbors. But if you bring this on, you will regret it, because we will bounce it back to you. We are going to bounce it back. Nobody is fucking scared of any of you. If you can't contend against Kevin Taylor, then tell yourself and your stupid body, your stupid appearance, and your stupid people to shut your fucking mouth up. Someone to me, Kevin Taylor needs our swat. Chine Jonas, what dim what time my dear, only in American fleet. Me, let me tell you something. I always say, Chine Jonas. And nobody has Asante. Every Asante. But what do what time from day 1 to the 20 million times? So we are what? Kevin Taylor. And I would Asante for what? Actually, I will praise Asante for because they all fucking scared. They know. And we will never forgive them. If you care to know. We Asante people, we don't speak our words out here. Because we are not animals. And people like us, we know how to share our information. We can't forgive Kevin Taylor and co. For all the attacks and insult and disgrace upon Asante people. He will never scot free with it. But more man. Kevin Taylor here, say Kolan, or did you treat the talk? And now most of the party or saw the time on this and that Bramu. Why am who basa begina say or no mepa mo macho. Ko de bepa macho de, ko de bepa boda minacho. Kwasia. Let me tell you, me kura me to Kevin Taylor respecting me since Muslim for ni nyina. Because so catch yourself call on the bitch chile to dia. no can't say me can't tell she would be chicken to be. Because listen, or she be none yenama or free bar on your home video. Just all by responding me. Sani, and I get na band black hair. Now, many national can all me internet is own coso. So wouldn't him send if an own coso. And talk a child crossing one no now was some say to the moon crossing bar. Yet, here no mana, a way a fan say, a play. A boy were fan say, what did most sense of what I be more can say? Me we fia ba mo again. Sia. Moti ha. Am go for catch am on top for some more. Asante for nka hu to mo. Because yes Asante for. He timi kan chenta for so mo ye mo. E bi nti da. Omo ye mo aka aware wo. Omo ye mo aka no omo na ewo. Just obi o katwi bia ya Asante. Obi o katwi bia ya. Wo ye kwase apa. Now what you are catching, so I've been in baby or from Casoya Santini. And you would dean the best, Nana Dino Crassabi. Santino, a Muslim, you bet me up on how I would. Santino, a Muslim, you bet me up on how I would. See, how would somebody can even identify, say, wow, so on your Santini? Shall Santiago can cross in it will cook what time baby now do Yaka, Macasia Santa for. Who doesn't believe it? Huh? So, Ghana, what do you? Obi oba betan wodi atem bi e ya Asante ni. Ba obi bia no o ya de pa o ya Asante ni bo a.